Hey, good morning, it's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Tuesday the 16th of June 2020. It's currently 5:18 a.m. local here in Vietnam. This is a look at my 12-hour high probability charts. The new candle for them was at 4 a.m, which was 1 hour and 18 minutes ago. There was a fair bit of action, so it took me a while to update the spreadsheets and also prepare the charts for this video. So let's have a look at what we've done. This is my high probability trading view profile or watch list. On the right, it's all the pairs I'm trading on the 12-hour charts. One's highlighted in blue, the ones I've currently got trades on. Orange, it means I'm going to talk about them in this video. And if there's no highlight, no trade. So let's start with the Oz Swiss. What did I do today? I'm in a sell. Sells are designated by the red lines. So there's red vertical and solid red horizontal. I close, this is sequence one's my sell. I've closed another 0.01 and moved my stop down right underneath the entry level, and price is already moving up towards that quickly. That gave me $5.32 profit. There was a new buy signal this morning based on hidden bullish divergence. My divergence is marked by green trend lines, that's bullish divergence. Red trend lines are bearish divergence. So there's a new buy signal today. Took the buy, reduced the sell size and put a stop in place and modified my profit to date. My overall break-even is this yellow dash line. That is for both trades. So S1 is the sell trade, sequence 1. Sequence 2 is the buy trade. So both trades, because it's net plus 0.01, as long as price stays above that yellow line, I can't lose on both trades. Obviously, it looks like that stop's going to get taken out on the sell trade. Then that yellow line will disappear because my point of entry will then be my break-even level. Buys are the blue lines. So buys are blue lines. Now, I took the signal based on these QMP filtered dots, these red and green dots. All they are is a visual aid. They're not actually an indicator themselves. They're a combination of two other indicators, which this one here is the MACD Platinum, zero lag MACD. That's all that is. So when it's above the zero level, I'm looking to sell. When it's below the zero level, I'm looking to buy. Now, this in combination with another indicator called the QQE Advanced, which is not displayed on the chart. It crosses. So when it crosses and it's in sync with this MACD Platinum, that gives these red and green dots on the chart. So this is not an indicator as itself. It's a combination of two indicators. So yeah, that's the Oz Swiss. Right, Oz New Zealand. All right, like I always say, you can pause the video, read my notes, because sometimes people don't understand me, or there's a lot happening on the charts, or English is not your first language, etc. And I must also advise you that all these trades are recorded on a shared spreadsheet on Google Drive. That's available to everyone through the link in the description of this video. So that's the shared spreadsheet, the results spreadsheet, which have been going since the 3rd of Feb 2020. All right, so here we have a sell. So sequence 1, this is the Oz New Zealand. It's got a stop in place, that red dotted line, so that's all good. Then I've commenced a new sequence, buy sequence. The MACD Platinum's below the zero level, so I've taken a buy, followed by a hedge sell because it's gone straight against me. There's a sell signal there, which is not a valid signal because the MACD Platinum is below the zero level. But because I haven't got a stop in place, I have to take it to protect the initial position. Then there's a new, little bit hard to see, but there's a new buy signal this morning. So a second buy has been taken this morning, bigger position size. Gives me two break-even levels, that's these yellow lines as previous. One for the sequence 2, which will be the one that's just to that first sequence 2 line, which is the top one, and the overall for all trades, the overall break-even. Yeah, that's cool. So it's just a new second buy signal on the Oz New Zealand. CAD Yen. What do I do here? Sorry, CAD Yen. In a sell, this grey line is just a warning line, and the reason it's there is because there's a new green dot on the MACD Platinum below the zero level, which means I'm looking to buy. So I was in a sell here, and what I've done this morning is closed another 0.01 and brought my stop down below the entry level, locking in profit there. That was a profit of $23.92, which has been added to the total. Blue trend lines like this are just lines that interest me, just a support level or resistance level or something like that. There's 3 MAs on the chart. One's a 240 LMA, 100 EMA and 50 EMA. They just give me a bit of an idea of trend direction, nothing else. Euro Aussie, bit messy this one, got a lot happening. Big sequence 1 trade, lot of trades. Sequence 2, lot of trades. There was a sequence 3 in here, and there was on 2 trades. There was a buy and a second buy on the break of this little trend line here. I'd already closed the second. I'd closed one of them, and the second one was stopped out for a massive profit of $2.04, which changes my overall break-even level. And this thing's rolling over to the downside. Here's a warning signal, looking to sell now. So yeah, it's a bit of a pain. Not quite pushing up as high as we could, but that's life. Euro Swiss. All right, I'm already in a sell up here. This sell's got a stop in place. This is sequence 1. This morning I commenced a new sequence, sequence 2, which was a buy. There's hidden bullish divergence, the green trend lines there. You can see lower lows on the oscillator, the MACD Platinum, and higher lows on price. That's hidden bullish divergence. So I've taken a buy up here. Overall breaking for both trades is that yellow line. And I don't know why I haven't written it in there. I should have written that. It should be written there. It's because it's positive 0.01. I'll fix that up after. Overall break even, and it's net plus 0.01. So as long as price stays above that, that's sweet. Damn, bit tardy there, Jim. Right, Euro Yen. Again, this is in a sell. New green dot on the MACD Platinum below the zero level. Probably should start looking to draw my trend lines in. So there'd be something from, for example, in here. Possible. It's got to be confirmed. Hidden bullish divergence. So yeah, should draw them in as I go. I normally double check the charts and draw my trend, look for divergences and draw the trend lines in. It's all about preparation. That's all it is. It hasn't been confirmed yet, but you draw them in now, and as soon as you do get the signal, you'll see that it's already there. So what I've done this morning, because I've got this new green dot on the MACD Platinum below the zero level, now looking for buys, I've closed another 0.01 and brought my stop down inside the entry level, and that gave me a profit of $10.63, which has been added to that. New Zealand Swiss franc. Took a buy this morning. Again, we've got hidden bullish divergence, and yeah, you can see here, MACD's down, prices up on the lows. So that's just a new buy signal. New Zealand USD. All right, I'm in a sequence 1 buy in here. It's got a stop and place up here, so that's this one. Now, I did take a sell, which was with sequence 2. It came down, and once it came through the zero level on the MACD Platinum, I closed half and put a stop in place, which below the entry level there, and that stop's been taken out. So I made a massive 70 cents profit on that second remaining sell. So I just left the line, the trade lines in place so you could see where the trade was. It's no longer valid, so I can remove all those lines. And all we've got now is that remaining buy, which has got locked in profit, so I can't lose on that. And the profit to date's been updated. So we've got the one buy trade, and probably get rid of this trend line. It's pointless now. This line can go. So yeah, so we just got a buy on there. So that's the New Zealand USD, and that's about it on the 12-hour charts. So as usual, guys, thanks for watching. If you do like the videos, please hit the subscribe button. If nothing else, hit the like button. That'd be greatly appreciated. And like I always say, everyone's more than welcome to join the private Facebook group or Telegram groups where I go more into the daily chart side of things. But I'm enjoying trading the 12-hour charts. It's only twice a day, so it's not really a burden. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and I will chat to you guys later. Cheers.